Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another unboxing wig / installation for a Glueless unit. It's actually 2 days before Mother's Day, so I'm super excited because this is actually going to be my Mother's Day wig. So hopefully this company does not disappoint, because your girl needs to be looking all kinds of slayed on Mother's Day. Not that every day is not Mother's Day for me, because I absolutely love being a mom. But this video is sponsored by Faba Wigs. I'm super excited because, y'all, when I say affordable, this company is super affordable, and that is perfect for mom life, because we love to still splurge, get our hair, nails, and all of our other beauty essentials taken care of, but it's always great to have something that is affordable. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig. It's like set in the cutest baby box ever, y'all. I didn't even know it was a wig. I was like, what the world? So this is what it looks like after I take the lid off. Ooh, they got everything packed really nicely in here, y'all. So of course they had to give your girl an edge brush. They gave me some lashes. Check these out. They also gave me a wig cap, and y'all, look at this. They gave me a wig band to hold down my wig, and last but not least, a nice little drawstring bag. So if I'm traveling, which I love to do, let me tell y'all why I love Glueless wigs while I'm taking it out this bag. So one of my favorite things that I'm realizing about Glueless wigs is just how freaking versatile they are. I used to love to commit to a style long term, like at least 1 to 2 weeks. But there is nothing that beats being able to literally switch your entire style like you went to the salon on command. And being able to do that is easily achieved with a Glueless unit. Oh, y'all, this is super cute. I know I'm gonna love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and take... Let's go ahead and take this off. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what she looks like on the inside, so everybody can see. And she comes with a nice little adjustable band. This is really secure, y'all, so I have no problems with this. Oh, okay, so it doesn't have the comb on the nape of the neck, which I absolutely love. Depends on what company has constructed the wig. I noticed even some of those small wig caps, or small wigs, like small wigs in general, for some reason, like, it's a little loose on the back of my head, so it's really great when I actually have the extra support to, you know, close it all together. But I can already tell, like, this is going to be the perfect support, like, literally. So all you need is this, and of course we have this part right here that's already cut out. Some baby hairs so you can play with it. I don't even know the last time, y'all, I've even worn baby hairs. But we're about to go ahead and add some powder to my lace, get this mixed in with my natural skin tone, and then I'll be right back. You being loud? So y'all see this? This is doing a great job of getting this powder inside of this lace. Y'all, motherhood. Please let me know in the comments below if y'all get space away from your kids, because I promise you with mine, my twins are at school right now and Jory is right here. It is always like it's never a dull moment in the house. So anyways, let me make sure I'm showing y'all what I'm doing. This is actually coming along really good. And I'm going to go ahead and continue putting the powder everywhere, because I want to have a deeper part, and the only way that's going to be able to be achieved and look normal and natural is for me to cover this entire thing. So I'll be right back as soon as I'm done with that. Okay guys, so this is the final look once I've added all of the powder on the inside, and it looks absolutely great. Boom. Super easy, super easy. So now it's time to actually style the wig. This is the moment of truth. to, of course, style it. Okay, you see how that went? Okay, and I did add some powder. I mean, not powder, what am I talking about? Some spray to the top of it so it can lay down. So I am filming a video.
This is sponsorship. Can I kiss you? Can I kiss you?
Why are you want to kiss me?
You look good. I like that. I like this, man.
Thanks, babe. Oh, so it's actually been a couple of hours. I went out, ran some errands, picked up my daughters, all of that, and finally did my lashes. So your girl is back on and popping. And look at my wig. The curls lasted. Everything looks really, really good. I know that some people are real iffy about spraying like sprays and putting mousse on your hair like that's non-curly because you're afraid that it may harden, which some hair companies, it does happen. If the quality is not the best, it definitely does happen. But it's safe to say that my hair is super, super soft, and all I have to do is follow it up with some oil that I'm gonna put on tomorrow when I actually go out. This is a glueless unit, in case you guys forgot. So I don't like to sleep in my glueless units. I'm gonna put it to the side to preserve the quality even longer. But y'all, if you love this wig, let me turn around. The length and everything, y'all, if you love this wig, and you know you love this wig, then please leave me a comment and let me know. I'm super excited. I will have all the information about the company. All the products that are on their website are really, really good, you guys. You guys gotta check them out because they have an arrangement of so many different wig types, lengths, textures, all of that, colors, like all of that. They have so many great options. So I will have that in the description box as well as a coupon code. So y'all go ahead and check it out. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.